So hey, what's up guys, it's Rohan Chaudhary and you're watching Starts from End and today I'm gonna show you how you can find your IP address in your mobile phone. So you just have to go on Google and search what no search only my IP address, just this, and you can find your public IP address, and you can go on what's my IP address.com. This site will give you your IP address, that so see this, that's my ISP, which internet connection I'm using, and the my city is Delhi, and here I can see my exact location, and so yeah, that's it. You can find your IP address by doing these steps. This is the simplest way to find your IP address, but if you want to see your numeric IP address, so you have to search on I think like on this, uh, I'm searching. So this is my current IP address, my numeric IP address, and that's all my proxy types or anything else what to, I just wanted to say. So you can find your IP address by doing these steps, these simplest steps. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you definitely get your IP address. So guys, please like this video, and if you like earning money online, so please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to upload daily videos on online money making. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. And Indian language, Jai Hind.